So, this week I'm gonna be doing something I've been wanting to do for so long now, and I'm gonna be seeing the cherry blossom. I'm so excited and I want you guys to come along with me. So I'm in Hyde Park right now, and oh my gosh, I think I found the cherry blossom! Oh my gosh. I was so worried that I wouldn't see it or if it wasn't in bloom yet, but I think it is. I think it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I think I see it! I think I see it! I think I see it! Oh my
goodness! 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Oh my gosh, I'm underneath the cherry blossom tree. I'm underneath the cherry blossom tree. Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like too much.
Okay, so I just finished browning the butter. And for a little bit of context, I'm so scared to like brown butter these days. Well, in general, because when I browned like butter before, it like foamed up so much and then it just exploded. And then it went all over my face, so like boiling butter on my skin. It was kind of traumatizing for me. So for the longest time, when I made cookies with brown butter, I asked help from someone. But now, for the first time after that experience, I did it myself. I'm so proud. Oh yeah, I'm just following this recipe now. It's not the one that I usually do. I want to try this new one. But I'm so happy because I finally have like chocolate wafers or discs, which I really could not find in the Philippines, and now I have it, so I'm excited to try. I'll have those like puddles of chocolate, which would be really good. I'm excited. So I'm excited to bake today. So what I did now was, ooh, it looks so creamy now, but since I browned the butter, it was super hot, so I added some cream and then I put a bowl with cold water underneath so that it would mix into this. It's a lot more creamier, and that way it would make the batter a lot more better and stable, I think. This is how the batter is looking now, very smooth. This doesn't have any of like the flour and salt yet. But yeah, I like how it's looking. So this is my mixture. It's very smooth. So far, this might be the best I've seen it yet, but it's not done yet, so you never know. I added the flour and it's looking good. And today I will show you the chocolate. So as you can see, I have these chocolate discs that I got from both barns. It's like this. I'm so excited to use them. I tried it because I like testing the chocolate before I use it, because I know if it's not good, it's gonna ruin the whole thing. And then I got this. This is milk chocolate, so I'm using a combination of milk and dark.
Switch to a spatula. Like, my butter was pretty solid, so let's switch back to my spatula to fold in the chocolate. Okay.
Wow, that tastes so good. So if there's anything I learned from work, well, apart from the many things, it's to scrape. I used to get so lazy. Like, I tried to scrape everything, but my, like, what I consider as everything being scraped is like not enough, if you know what I mean. So I really try to get this out as possible. Let's switch over to the spatula. Look at that. I tasted it and it tastes so good. Like, you can tell, you can taste like the butterscotchiness in the batter. Look at that. Amazing. Now for the second part, I will add the chocolate. So for this one, this is like the only thing that I won't measure. I'm just gonna wing it. What I plan to do is I will mix in milk and dark. Then before it bakes, I'll add a piece of this dark on top. And then when it comes out of the oven, sprinkle some coarse sea salt. I wish I had like gloves right now, but my hands are clean. So we'll just sprinkle some. Wow, look at that. That looks delish. Okay, I'm gonna mix it in and see how it looks. So now that I have my dough, I'm gonna portion it out on a sheet because I need to freeze it or chill it before baking. This is the final look of my cookies before I bake them. I top them off with this. As you can see, some of them have like prunes, or what is this? Raisins. yeah, just wanted to try it out. So yeah, they look so good. I have to freeze them before baking them.